Check out this crazy little carnivore I found in my garage. Turns out these things eat rodents, lizards, small birds, other stuff. They're really not a threat to humans, but they're pretty crazy looking. And they can bite. Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon right at the subscribe button, and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you. Obviously, these can bite. They're carnivores, but their bite is a little bit different, more similar to the tarantula, where they bite and they can break down food, but they inject, they're not venomous, but they inject something that dissolves tissues, breaks it down, and then they can kind of suck up the food. It can actually run up to about 10 miles an hour, and they grow to be about 6 inches long. This one was maybe 4 or 5 inches long, maybe 4 to 5, something like that. And this thing looks to have 10 legs, but it's actually not 10 legs. It's got 8 legs. It's a kind of relative of the spider, a type of arachnid. The other 2 legs, they're not legs, that are in the front, they're actually sensory organs. It's kind of, I guess you'd say, similar to antennas, but a little bit different. So these aren't truly a Cyclops. They just have large central eyes. Very strange indeed. A quick search of my YouTube channel, you should be able to find a bunch of material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs, and links to tools and parts used in the videos can be found in the descriptions below.